I'm moving out of this apartment. Quick apartment tour. Happy Thanksgiving. I bought a mirror, but look, it's broken. Ow. Oh no. Okay, well, I guess I could show you guys. Do you see that? Yeah, it's fucking broken.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling.
I had to stop for a minute because I got these new headphones and I want to test it out instead of just me blasting music in my apartment, and I don't want to annoy my neighbors. I wanted to test these out because these are bone conduction headphones. It's the next day, sitting here editing, and somehow I lost some of the footage of last night, but to be continued. Conduction headphones are different than traditional headphones. Traditional headphones, you just put it in your ear hole and then it goes straight to your eardrum. Conduction headphones, you put it right here and then it bypasses your eardrum. Honestly, I'm speechless because I was like, okay, how am I supposed to hear when it's just sitting right here? I wore it around the house yesterday just for cleaning. The sound quality is phenomenal and amazing, and I'm thoroughly impressed. So you basically put it right here and you're good to go. They are perfect for activities where you still want to listen to music, but you don't want to shut the world off and you still need to be aware of your environment, like mountain biking, sometimes hiking. For me, it's running. I don't run outside because I'm scared of men, but I don't run outside because I want to be able to listen to music. Like, who does cardio without music? But then I'm like, if I listen to music and I don't watch where I'm going, somebody is gonna try to kidnap me on the side of the street. But now with Chalks, I can start exercising outdoor because I can listen to music and be vigilant of my surrounding at the same time. This is a good time for you to get these headphones because they are running a Cyber Monday sale this Monday. So these headphones are actually gonna be on sale. It's moving day. My apartment is very dark most of the time. Like right now it's fine, but the majority of the time I live in a freaking dungeon. And honestly, it's time to move on to a brighter apartment because I'm so much more productive when the sun is out. Here is the moving process. I just have stuff in the kitchen. RIP my freaking back after this move because already my back is hurting so much. And then the closet, and then I just have some stuff in the bathroom, which should be really quick. And then I just have some stuff in this closet. Every single move, I ask myself, like, how does one person accumulate so much shit throughout the years? Like, I just don't understand. I'm moving closer to campus because campus is like an hour away from here, and I got into nursing school. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video. I got into my dream nursing school, so I'm moving closer to campus. Ow, my freaking back.
Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said.
Welcome to my new apartment. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you guys that I manifested a brightly lit apartment and my dream came true. Before we get started, I want to introduce you to a special guest. This is Zion. I'm dog sitting for my friend. She is a Great Dane. My kitchen. And then if you turn around, this is the door, and you look over here. The laundry. Next, this is the main area. It's very spacious. My couch is supposed to come in 4 days. I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna mount my TV up right here. Over here I have a big porch. But to be honest with you, I don't care too much about the porch because it's mostly just for Doug to hang out if he wants to, but he doesn't like being away from me. If you keep walking, this is the bedroom. Hi, Doug. Do you like your new home? Do you like Zion? A lot bigger and brighter than my last place. One thing is I hate looking at this thing. Like, she kind of ugly. Then I have my big bathroom with 2 sinks. Yada, yada, yada. This is the closet with all my shoes. These gotta find their homes, but it's a working process, okay? That's really it to the apartment. It's really big, spacious. I'm super duper grateful and thankful. I know for sure that I'm gonna kick ass in nursing school because just being in this apartment just sets my mood and makes me really motivated and productive, and I need to be on my best A game for nursing school. If you fail an exam, you get kicked out. I know I'm not gonna fail. Like, I know I got the shit. Doug, you're not supposed to do that. Zion, go eat.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out, I drive these brothers crazy, I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely, they buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly, girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on dating. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady love, my hump, my hump, my hump, my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady love, my hump, my hump, my hump.
What you gonna do it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do with all that junk?
No drama, so don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy, and move my hump, 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 my hump. My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps in the back and in the front. My loving got you.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, my hump, my hump. My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my lovely little lumps.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do with all that junk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump.
Junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely.
Happy Thanksgiving. I don't know if I love or hate Thanksgiving, because growing up in the United States, was always me, my mama, and my papa. My papa is no longer with us. I've never really had like a big family to celebrate Thanksgiving with, and I've been on my own since I was 17. Ever since I was 17, Thanksgiving I either spent it by myself with my partner that I was with at the time, like throughout the years, or with a couple of friends. But it was never anything big, you know? So I kind of feel like a little left out, because I feel like when you go on social media, everybody's like with their whole entire freaking family, like the whole village, and then there's just me. And yeah, maybe I'm just like insecure because I've never had a big family unit.